Yeah, hi all. So similarly, we are already seeing something called as a data, right? Data table. So this with regarding the data table, the design is going to be constructed by using any kind of the filters, and you can also specify the nomenclature with respect to the different color styles and table styles, and the table options with respect to the external data what we have. So this is a data frame we're going to be constructed with respect to any reference cells, or you can also construct by using your own cells, existing cells, what exactly do you know. You can also summarize with some of the pivot tables, remove some of the duplicates, and convert to some range, insert some of the slices. You want to be export within the files of the SharePoint, you can also be export by using that option. The table, if you just click on this table, it's going to be giving the different formats with corresponding to the cells what we have. So let's go ahead and discuss how does that going to help us with respect to these kind of the range, this kind of the styles we are going to be specified automatically changing, if you can say it just slightly bar, and with respect to the bullet points or with respect to the some filter buttons you're going to be applied. What will happen if I just apply the filter buttons? Just click on this, you can select the number of the cells you're going to be showcase, and you can also select only for Canada region or the US region. How much is the count with respect to the US region? How many sales we are going to be specified, the average kind of the sales and the count and the sum results. And you can also go and discuss with respect to the respective name. If you want to be showcased only for the Bob result, or some only the some other person results. So this is the number of the total sales he had executed. With corresponding just filter operation, you are just applying to the top of it. That's it. So this is very helpful whenever you draw some of the any data table with respect to do some analyzing. You can also create and summarize a pivot table. This is very executive way of approach whenever you go and discuss with some other end users with corresponding to whatever the sales regions we have. So I'm just taking consideration for the filter as a region, you can say, and the sales I'm just taking for the total summation of the values and respective number as a columns. So you can see the pivot tables I got like this. The Bob has number of the sales and Harry has total number of the sales. And we corresponding the grand total with respect to this. So this is summarization of the any kind of, you can say summarization of the any kind of the data table we are going to be showcased. Similarly, we have seen something called as a maps at the earlier of this course. You already made something to know about the some of the mapping techniques, right? So in this notebook, we are going to be show some of the mapping techniques we are going to be used as a chart plots and some gauge plots and also the thermometer plots, milestone chart, some other different charts we are going to be considering. So this is some data frame we had. This is a simple basic data frame. We had some main category as a feature, subcategory, and also the spend. With respect to this, how can we draw this? So if you want to draw any kind of the plots, okay, I'm just deleting this as of for now to discuss just also drag up to this. So if you want to draw anything, just click on this total data frame and go to draw options, whatever the draw options we had, or you can also go to some home button or the insert button to represent any kind of the plots what we have. So we have so many plots here. You can see here. If we want to be showcased as a bar plot in the 2D or the 3D, okay. So you can also go and draw some of the plots. So I'm just taking this consideration total number of the pens. So if you want to be showcased, if you want to be showcased in terms of to show as some chart plots, you can also see some other plots we have with different colors. You can also mention with different colors. That is also a very good method to follow for the chart designing some of the text to analyze. You can also filter by using fruits or by using some other. Okay, by using the name calculations, we're going to be get. This chart plot is also the same. It's also will be the good results whenever you do some of the operations. If you just drag and drop this, it will give us some bar plots, right? So in this also you will get the charts. If you want to specify the chart, this is the basic chart we are going to specify. You can also give the any name, whatever the name you want to be specified with corresponding shadow or the colors, and also the fill the border term of the titles with respect to the borders you can also specify it. And you can also include maybe the alignment whether it is left or right, and also the center alignment. So this is regarding the multi-cat category